Freddie, Kitchens and John Dorsey have a busy few months coming up. John Kuntz, Cleveland.com, Cleveland, Ohio. The Browns, fresh off the controversial signing of running back Kareem Hunt, are deep into draft and free agency meetings at the Browns facility, and are working hard to integrate the staff before the off-season program begins on April 1st. In less than 2 weeks, they'll head to Indianapolis for the NFL Scouting Combine, and then return home just before the start of the off-free agency and the opening of the trading period. If Browns GM John Dorsey is as active this year as he was last year, the start of the league year could be a frenzied period for the Browns. One thing they won't be looking for, however, is their franchise quarterback. Dorsey checked that box last year with Baker Mayfield, and now it's about surrounding him with enough talent to contend for a Super Bowl in the near future. Here's what's coming up for the Browns and their new coaching staff in the next few months. 1. The NFL Combine, February 26 Mar. 4. With up to 335 prospects, both seniors and juniors, who are eligible for the 2019 draft, converge in Indianapolis to be weighed, measured, worked out and interviewed by officials from all 32 NFL teams. When players begin arriving February 26 and workouts take place from March 1-4. Where workouts are at Lucas Oil Stadium. Browns at the podium. Coach Freddie Kitchens is scheduled to address the local and national media February 27 at 12:15, and GM John Dorsey is set to speak February 28 at 10 a.m. Notable, the Browns have 11 picks in the NFL draft, including no. 17 overall. For once, they're not searching for their franchise quarterback. Last year at the NFL Combine, Baker Mayfield boldly proclaimed about the 0-16 Browns, "If anybody's going to turn that franchise around, it'd be me." He backed it up by going 6-7 as a rookie, and pulling out the victory against the Jets. Teams can conduct 60 15-minute interviews at the Combine. 2. Deadline to designate franchise and transition players. March 5. The Browns don't have a big-name pending free agent that warrants the franchise or transition tag, but they'll discover which NFL players are off the market or harder to obtain beginning on this date. 3. Legal tampering begins. March 11-13. The Browns and other clubs are permitted to start negotiating with the agents of players who will become unrestricted free agents when their contracts expire at 4 p.m. ET on March 13. Dorsey said he doesn't plan to break the bank in free agency, but he'll likely add a handful of UFAs.